Hey everybody, Mike with Cactus Crawlers RC, and today we are looking at Big Tex, which is my red bodied SCX24 build. I saw on lots of other people's YouTube videos that I can do a widened axle, sort of, not widened axle, but widened stance on this vehicle with the RC four-wheel drive wheels without having to buy the widened kit like I installed on the other truck. And simply what it is you're what I would do is undo all these bolts from the hub on the two halves of the wheel and flip it around, and that way the offset would now be very wide. It would have a very wide stance. This would be on the inside of the wheel, and all this depth in here would be on the outside. So you would, in essence, give it a widened stance without having to buy a widened axle kit. So that's what I'm going to do with this. And then once I get it done, we're going to compare it to this truck that has the widened axle, 4mm widened axle setup in it. So I'm going to do simply, I'm going to remove all these bolts from the hub and just leave the hub still on the truck. I'm not going to take the wheel off the truck to do this. So I think I just undo all these bolts, flip it, put all the bolts back on, and then when I go to tighten it, I just want to make sure that I'm doing everything evenly so it's sitting down evenly inside of this hub here. So I'll get that done, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so right off the bat, you can see how this has that awesome deep dish look to it, and it is sitting out much further away on the axle than the stock setup. So, yeah, I think this is going to be a really easy and cool looking way to get a widened stance on these SCX24s with the RC four-wheel drive wheels. So let's get the rest of them done, and we'll compare it to the other truck. Hey everybody, we are back after flipping these RC four-wheel drive wheels to widen the stance of Big Tex, my red body SCX24, and the overall look of it is pretty awesome. That's got a very wide stance just by flipping those wheels. As a matter of fact, I think it's a heck of a lot more of a widened stance than what you see from stock. So, or of course over stock, I mean from what these 4mm widened axle kits were. So flipping these RC four-wheel drive wheels gives you much wider stance than just putting on these 4mm widened axles. So boom. You know what I really like about it is those deep set wheels. That just looks really awesome. Oh yeah, like it. So cool, right on. Thanks for watching Cactus Crawlers RC. Come back again for more videos. Be sure to give this video a like if you thought it was cool, and we'll see you all again next time.